I like photography a lot. I shoot photos religiously, and if photography is my religion, then the camera is my church.
Being a photo hobbyist is one thing, but if you want to take it up to level 11 into full-blown photo geek territory, you need to follow these steps.
Well, the first thing is to prepare yourself for the shoot, and it doesn't always make sense to wear clothes this attractive and eye-catchy.
Purpose of Photo Geek Threads covers arse cheeks from getting hypothermia and carries more things than a shelf with its myriad of pockets. Immensely practical, yes. Lit, only if you stand near a fire.
Two things I never leave home without when I'm out shooting wildlife: spare batteries and my rape whistle.
Pockets?
Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park.
Superb. Dirty lens.
Perhaps the most important skill of being a photo geek is the art of not letting your gear get dirty. Like, ever.
A smashing piece of glass there, if you don't mind my saying.
Yes, would you like to touch it? No, you can't. It's mine. Go away.
Don't let others near your gear. They might have camera herpes or dandruff. Polish vigorously until you have no anti-reflective coating left. Job done.
One important thing is to know your subjects well, and the best way to do that is to Google it. A favourite bird of them all, the great tit. Let's look for great tits. Okay. Oh, there's loads of tits over there.
If there's one thing that Yarmouth isn't short of, it's tits.
Know your gear inside out, outside in. Not only do you have to walk the walk, you have to talk the talk.
Knowledge isn't everything. Knowing how to think you know everything is.
If you could clone any animal from history, or indeed any person from mosquito tummy blood, which person or animal would you pick?
I'd have to say myself, because I'm brilliant.
It's a superiority thing, it's complex.
Oh.
Another valuable skill is gear peacocking.
I've got a D810 and I'm going to use my D810 to compare it to your 850 to see who does the better detail.
Well, what an ignoramus. I have the D850, of course it's going to be better. It gives me enormous pride and satisfaction knowing that I have the cameras and lenses that other people can't afford. Oh!
Listen to that!
Oh, yes! Oh no, hold on. I finished my load.
That was a bit of a short spell, wasn't it?
Short and sweet. Short and sweet. A little bit salty as well.
Yeah.
But remember this, a camera and lens are just tools. There's no point getting jealous about another man waving his tool beside you.
That way I don't have to focus on anything, do I? Are you ready?
Yes, let's go. Hey! We didn't count. There's 1, 2, 3, shoot. Oh yes.
Yes, that's
baby, that is sexier than Michael Bubble.
The buffer's kicked in there.
I don't go around looking at another man's tool and thinking, oh, I wish I had his tool in my hand.
Oh, that's considerably slower.
Yes.
Isn't it?
I'm not impressed.
But the buffer, the buffer has not kicked in.
If anything, other men look at my tools and think,
The buffer has not kicked in. I could do this all day.
It's kicked in now. You absolutely have to give 101%. There's no point doing things half-arsed. You have to go full-arsed. Oh look, some birds over there.
Let's go and shoot those birds.
You see, the only way to do this is camouflage. You scare the birds away like that. Check this out. Ready to go. Now the birds will not see me. I'm over here, by the way. Attack! Here I come, titties!
Don't take good shots, doesn't matter. It's all about nailing that technique and holding that camera really, really well. Work on things like understanding chromatic aberration, how to tell people on forums that an f1.4 lens is not an f1.4 lens when cropped. The photos? Well, it's nice if you get one. They're just to show how good the gear you bought is anyway.
This is the decisive moment, just like with street photography and Henri Cartier-Bresson, but instead of romantic scenes in France, these are birds on the beach, eating broken glass.
Not one single pelican.
I'm here, by the way. Patience is a virtue, as was said in the 5th century poem Psychomachia, and also Thomas the Tank Engine's song.
You can afford to be patient because apart from eating, sleeping, drinking and defecating, not in order, this is what you spend most of your life doing.
Have you spotted any of the migratory species here?
I don't think so. Brexit, isn't it?
They talk about environmental and clean energy. They erect all these wind farms. Goose layers, I tell you. Goose layers, I say. Ah!
You said erect.
Unfortunately, you will have to have social contact with other photographers, so make sure you know how to strike up a stimulating conversation.
What
I
does
love
your dad say?
panpipes. I love panpipes.
Do you?
Yes.
Okay.
It gets me in the mood for sex, for the action. It's usually with myself.
Yeah, do you have a dimmer
Mostly
switch?
with myself.
Do you?
No, I just switch lights off so I don't have to see
Oh.
down there.
How do you know where you land?
Doesn't matter. Surprise landing. Hi, I'm over here, by the way.
Oh my God! Gooses don't have sex.
What do they do then?
They divide to like cells
Excellent.
and women. And in fact, there's one herring gull as well. It looks to be stealing a child's ice cream.
Wah!
Oh my God, you did it again.
Okay, let's go. I think you might have a little problem with this exposure because you won't actually see me in this photo.
This is
It'll be like Michael J. Fox in Back to the Future when he disappears from that photo. This will just be a camera floating in the mid-air.
oh yeah, shoot out to
Great, you've been watching the first instalment of How to Improve Your Photography by Ian Wang, Ultrasonic Dragon 88. Not a very good cat, bad cat. You have to know your subject well, right down to the name. Wikipedia, everything, all about the birds' names and things like that. Portraits, you need to know their name. Maybe not street photography, sports. It's written on the back of their jerseys, their names, so... Okay, thank you for watching the first instalment of the How to Be a Photo Expert, brought to you by Ian Wang, aka Ultrasonic Dragon 88. Please subscribe to this channel and smash the like button without damaging your mouse or your keyboard. That would not be very good.